Students, welcome again to e-commerce unit 5 e-marketing techniques video lectures. Last three videos. One is role of digital marketing. One is new age information based marketing, search engine and directory services, and charting online marketing process. This video is very important in marketing. Those are the 5 P's of marketing. So one by one P we will understand. First one is product. Out of 5 P's of marketing, product, price, promotion, place, and people are the key elements in positioning the business strategically. So all this that's why it is called as a marketing mix. So a food when you are eating, all are will be in proportions according to their. In same manner in marketing mix, all these will play a key role according to their proportion. So to business, these are our business should be very highlighted and effective. Then this proportion will be proportion or position of these 5 points. 5 P's are very important. Or these are called as marketing mix and also variables that managers and owners control to satisfy the customers in their target market. So customers are gods to us, as Mahatma Gandhi said. Customers are God to the company or owner. So if there is no customer, there is no product at all. If the product is so we were creating the products or services according to the customer's need and satisfaction only. That's why so these 5 elements are or these 5 variables are in the control of the manager to satisfy the customers' needs in the market and value to their business. Help differentiate their business from competitors. Exactly. So all the products, all the laptops are giving the same service. Whatever the application you opened and what are the application services it is giving, it should be used. But why different laptops are there? The product, one product to the other product is with different features. Price. In a same series of laptops, many types of products are there with different prices different prices. Promotion. So how do I know to buy this product? Somebody told me or I saw an advertisement in TV or I got a brochure from somewhere exhibition itself. So that is or somebody told me directly he visited our office and told me that you for your educational purpose needs this laptop is 100% will satisfy your needs. That may be promotion and place where I am buying or where I am using and the people to whom we are selling the product. So these are according to this our business will be differentiated with the other customers or other competitors. Okay. The first one is product, the material, product, price, promotion, place, and people. Okay, these are the 5 elements in marketing mix. One is product, another one is price, promotion, place, and the last one is people. Marketing mix product. It has some function. Should be appear in physically. At least had warranty. Compulsory it has a quality and should be packed in a particular or wrapped with some item or not. Okay, so a product is having some functions. Functions in the sense it has to satisfy the needs of the customers. And appearance should be in physical form, either service or product, have warranty. and quality packaging. Okay, so these are the features of the product. And price at least selling price should be there. The product is offered with how much quantity should be there itself. Okay, compulsory it has to be. Another one is discounts. It depends upon the company to company whether it is offering discounts or not. Okay, discounts, payment arrangements, online payment you are taking, credit card payment, debit card payment, or EMI with no cost EMI, or you will accept bitcoins, whatever it may. And so once I paid the money, what are the services you are providing? Paid servicing or servicing with free servicing, like that. So if you the no cash is there, what if you are offering the product on credit basis? What are the credit terms? You will find in Amazon. So no cost EMI is there. These are the features of price. Marketing mix consists of 5 elements. Those are product, price, promotion, place, and people. Promotion, sponsorships, products may be sponsored through somebody, or products may be sponsored through some events, introduced into the market through some events, or products are introduced through the advertisements and public relation activities, messaging, directly sending the message, and media, social marketing media, or direct sale, or whatever it may be. These are the features of promotion. Then place. So place is product is manufactured one place and the need of the product will be somewhere else. So at this point, distribution channels will play a key role. So the product may be sent to a particular person through how it will be sent. Okay, that is distribution channels. Another one is logistics, transportation of the product, and service levels. So product will be supplied up to the dockyard and later customer has to come and collect the product, or product will be delivered up to home and installation. Everything will be installation. Later 2 or 3 visits how the product is working or not, and later a demo will be given to the people those who are using the product, like that. So these are the next one is the location where it is, and the market coverage. Will you cover the whole place or not? That is also important. These are the features of a place. According to the place, we have to select the distribution channel, logistic operations, and service levels up to what extent you are able to give, the location, the market coverage. Next important people after product is important, or people is very important. So we have to provide service through our product. Service provided. What are the service we are providing? And attitude of the customer is very important. Customer service, whether we are how we are providing. Appearance, employee portrayal are the features of the 5 elements. Those are product, price, promotion, place, and people. These are called as a marketing mix and 5 P's of marketing. Okay. Then coming to the product. Product refers to the product and service offered by a business, and product additions include function, packaging, appearance, warranty, and quality. Just we discussed about that. So these are the features of the product where the addition will be taken. That is functioning of the product, packaging of the product, appearance of the product, quality and warranty of the product. Customers need to understand the features, advantages, benefits that can be enjoyed by buying goods or services. So depends upon the services offered by the product then the customer's buying decisions are depend. One is features of the product, advantages of the product, and with the product, how best satisfaction you will get is very important. Okay. When thinking about a product, consider the key features, benefits, and needs and wants of the customers. There are many products are there in telecommunication, mobile phones. Many companies are manufacturing. And so why individual is selecting a particular brand? Because of its features, because of its benefits, and because of it satisfying the needs and wants of the customers. Okay? These are the very important factors when we are selecting the product. So product features, color is very important. People, when they are selecting the car, they had a color in mind. So if such color product is available and they will buy only that, then only they will buy. Color very fond of you and it is lucky to you, then in the such color is not available uh, by the company is not, then you can ask the company to have the color to your car and it will deliver exclusively to you itself. Okay, color is important, size also important, raw materials which they are using. So I come across with an article and I came to know that Ford company is using and manufacturing all the materials which are used in Ford vehicles by its own. It won't buy from outsiders. Outsiders, third parties we can call it as. So that is also, that's why most of the people will very fond of those vehicles. It is a imported vehicle. It has to be import a vehicle to India itself. I don't know exactly. So raw materials also important. Style different. So according to your wish and will, you would like, if you are very fond of style, then you may choose some type of products. Purpose. What is the purpose of the vehicle which you are buying? So you are traveling very long journeys occasionally or frequently, then you buy a different type of vehicle where your boot space will be more and pickup is more, horsepower is more, as well as mileage according to the mileage. So when you are when you are using in domestically and going to office and coming to home, and then you will choose the vehicle with different. You choose the vehicle with different models like that. Okay, value is very important. So how much value you are able to get by buying that vehicle, that is very important to you. Okay, that's why most of the people will buy the premium vehicles with a cost of crores of rupees. A car consists of 1 crore plus. Okay, more than 1 crore cars also there. So that there is no change at all. The car with the four tires will move on road only, but it gives value to their profession or it gives value to their satisfaction, that is value. Nutritional claims, that is possible in medicines as well as foods. Third party accreditation. Okay, so national mobile mobiles are accredited by some third party, then only we will believe that it is come across with the all compliances. And cars are manufactured cars are have to go for crash test. So if it is passed, then only we will buy the vehicle itself. So that is accreditation is very important. Another one is ISI marks of particular products and FAO license, green symbol on agriculture products, So that is those were accredited by third party. So it may not harm or those were passed or those are according to the norms, according to the norms. Social value, life cycle, classification, origin, quantity, and also image. These are the features of the product. When we are buying the product, we see all these features. And another one is price. Very important to motivate us to buy the product. Price refers to the strategy of products and services and how it will affect the customers. So price is a value which we are giving to a product. Pricing decisions do not include just selling price, but also discounts, payment arrangements, credit terms, and price matching services offered. Exactly. Okay. So in while buying the product, we just don't see only selling price. We will also find whether a company is offering discount or not, and if the company is offering credit facility or not, and if I paid 1,000 rupees extra, shall it is giving insurance coverage to my product or not? That is also very important. Pricing is not at all selling price. It is also includes discounts, payment arrangements, credit terms, and price matching services. When determining the price strategy, it is important to consider business position in the current marketplace. So high quality products they use more price. High mechanical equipment that then the price also high, and also there will be some vice versa. That is okay. So the quality is more, automatically price is more. Sometimes low price products are also exhibit the quality. And strategies, competitive pricing. When what are the others charging? Relatively, we set our products price. Cost oriented strategy. According to the cost of the product plus profit, we will decide that one. Penetration pricing versus skimming product. Penetration, we can take the example of Geo as an example. How it will be to enter into the market, it offered free services more than 8 months, more than 6 months. And it asked the people to register with only 100 rupees. And later, it offered the monthly plans. And now it has a base of 42 lakhs or somewhere around customers. Okay, that is called penetration. And charge a lot when you are the first in, that is called as a skimming. Once the customers were when you are the first person introduced in the market, then you are charging, you can charge the more, that is called as a skimming. Okay, so space space tourism is there. Okay, means you were taken to space, to the spacecraft. That is the first time it is. So crores of rupees is charged for that. So that become then more spacecrafts are there and more countries are offering that one. Automatically price will be reduced. Okay. So these are the pricing strategies. Then coming to the promotion. So very important. Okay. Promotion refers to the activities that make the business more known to consumers. To more known about our products. Okay, the promotion is very important. It includes items such as sponsorships, advertising, public relation activities. And since promotion cost can be substantial, it is essential to conduct a break-even analysis when making promotion decisions. Okay, you should not spend more amount on that. How when initially when you are promoting the product, at least you have to recover the cost of the product. Leave it about the profit. Once the product enter into the market and most of the people are buying and rebuying, then you can fix the charges. That is the important strategy of the Geo. Once it is entered into the market, stabilized into the market, and it felt that it is giving good services, they introduced the packages for 28 days, 58 days, like that. Now the people are they are selecting they are recharging their mobiles according to the package. It is important to understand the value of customer, whether it is worth conducting promotions to acquire them. Okay, so it is very important to understand the value of a customer, whether it is worth conducting promotions to acquire them. So you have to decide that by promoting through promotions techniques, we can acquire or get the customers or not. First, we have to understand, then we have to start the promotions. And place is very important where the product and the service of the business is seen, made, sold, distributed. So you purchased a product in Delhi, and where you will sell the product, whether in Delhi or outside the Delhi, or you will export to some other countries. That is important. Place decisions are associated with the distribution channels and way of getting the product to targeted key customers. So according to the place, we will select the distribution channels, and according to that, we will apply the logistics. It is important to consider how accessible the product or service is and ensure that customers can easily find you. Okay. And earlier, petrol pumps are restricted to in cities and tier 2 cities and highways itself. Now those were because there is a restriction in licensing and everything. So licensing was eased. Then those were available in very nearest places of the villages also. Okay, that means your that is a very that is a place decision it is taken. Okay, product or service must be available to customer at the right time and the right place and in the right quality. Okay, so whenever customer is needed, then you are able to place your product, automatically will buy the product. Okay, so a business may want to provide their products over an e-commerce site, at a retail store, or through a third party distributor. That is your wish. You want to sell either online or offline or through a third party person. Okay, you will select. That is called selecting the distribution channel. This will this distribution channel selection is based on the place distribution strategy. These are the strategies you can go through that. Okay, people don't get this be confused with your audience or customers. People in this case are the individuals involved in your business operations. Means freelancers you hire, web developers, designers, warehouse managers, anyone that you rely on to keep the proverbial business gear turning. Okay? Investing in people that are competent in their field can be foster the effectiveness of your daily business function. This could mean timely product launches, great product development, improved customer support. So the people where are working in all the levels are very important, and these people will play a key role in product development and functioning. Okay, we have time. We will discuss this play strategies. Alignment with mission. So I would like to supply the generic medicines, which will uh, which makes the customers to buy the products with very less cost. So offering the products to the customers for low cost is my mission. According to that, I will open the stores in very near places and nearest to hospitals, and according to that So I will set my strategy. Investment required. So to distribute the goods to particular place, so what are the channels I will select according to the channels amount will be invested. Product match. Selling price matches the cost to service. When I am offering the selling price, then whether I am offering along with that service or not, that is also important. Promotion effort. So uh, instead of just dumping the goods, and then I would like to promote the product. Risk and uncertainty while taking the product up to the customer's point. And terms of the payment, logistics, order and delivery, these are the strategies which we will follow in terms of place. Okay, displays, that is distribution strategies. Okay, one by one we will see how many P's are there. 5 P's. What are they? One is product, another one is price. Price is a value which we are giving to the product to, which help us or which satisfy our needs. Another one is promotion, which make the product to reach the customers or to known to the customers is a promotion. And initially we thought about break even. Break even analysis. Break even means where there is no profit, no loss. Okay. After promotion, next one is place, which had a key role in distributing the or selecting the distribution channel to made available or sold distributed to the customer. So place stations are associated with the distribution channels and ways of getting the product to targeted key customers. Okay. The next one is place strategies. Another one is people. Okay. People are here are not telling about the audience. People are the who involved in business operation. We have to understand them well and manage them well to function, smooth function of all the functions, all the functionalities of the product from product to place. Okay. So next video which we are going to understand is a VR, virtual reality and consumers experience. Okay. In this virtual reality, you see this. Okay, now these are the devices which we are controlling, and with this controlling experience, we are feeling the experience in this VR box, virtual reality box. Okay, so I think somebody may have the experience and somebody may not. Okay. What is virtual reality? History, types, applications. Advantages and disadvantages. Some examples. Okay. Only after this video, VR video, we complete unit 5 and only we are left with the second unit, that is a framework of e-commerce. Framework of e-commerce. After that, So we'll complete the e-commerce. In the framework of e-commerce, we had services, application services, interface layers, secure messaging, middleware services, and a network infrastructure. And site security, firewalls and network security, TCP/IP, HTTP, and SHTP, SMTP, SSL are the protocols, network protocols. Important question is data encryption and cryptography is very important one. In the encryption, decryption, public key, private key, digital signatures, and digital certificates, we'll understand in the second unit. Next, second unit, we will complete in 3 or 4 videos. Okay. Okay, students. So the chapter we divided, this chapter is the unit is divided into 5 videos. Okay, students. Bye. Take care.